Hi, this is Kim from Gardening at McClucken. I'm back home. Birds have been getting up here. They've been pooping. Went to the garden tour today. Interesting. Very interesting houses. Some of them I've seen before. Stopped at the Phelan Swap Meet. Bought a tomato tree, a tomato, and a bell pepper plant there. And came home to find my white leghorns have laid eggs over there. Daddy laid her egg underneath that plywood. When I was out here this morning, I found something had been chewing on my sage right there and tore off this leaf. There's a leaf right there, part of the leaf right there. Oh, not sure what that is, but something's coming up down there with my rosemary. And also discovered I've got borage coming up. See right there? That's what I've got planted in. Here's another one that's coming up right there. Not sure it's right there. But yeah, I've got things that's coming up in my beds and my green stalks. My tomatoes are looking good. Hey, stop! Leave! Daddy, shame on you. Daddy was after my duck over there. Daddy's going to be going to freezer camp soon, I guess. Daddy, you're getting too rough with them. But I've got two beans that are coming. Like there's one bean right there. Where's Mother Bean? And there's another bean. Yeah, 2 beans so far out of 38 that I planted in here. 3 beans. I've got 1. I'm putting my finger in the soil, that way I know. 1. 2. 'Yeah, just 2 beans. Possibly. Where is the other one? Where was my other one? 3. So I've got 3 beans out of 38 beans that's coming up. So, but my tomatoes are still underneath the cage because my ducks and my chickens like to eat everything. As evidenced over here by them pulling up potato plants and then eating my freaking I didn't think they would like potatoes, but apparently they like pulling them off and eating them. See? That's ants in that one too. But yeah, that's what's going on today. Oh, let me show you my tomato plants. This one over here is looking kind of sad, but I watered it this morning. This one here is doing amazingly well. And this one right here is doing good. I still need to plant my tea bushes. I'm going to plant those in those 2 pots right there. So I've got the soil for it. But I just need to find the time to come out here and do it. Right now I'm exhausted from the garden tour this morning. But yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun. Next week is going to be the Hesperia garden tour. So if you can, come on out and join us. Because we'll also, the week after that is Victorville, and then, Apple Valley, and then the last week will be Victorville. And we found out they actually have a community garden out there in Victorville. So that'll be exciting to see. I did not know that. And I'm just picking off dead petunia blossoms to keep it blooming for me. My